Hello people, just a small update on how far I've gone with the pond. Done quite a lot of work now on it. Let me just show you what I've been up to. Right, so now the walls are up. As you can see, the walls are up on the side and all the sides. This is as high as the wall will go. I won't go any higher than this. If I just manage to get inside. So that's the wall. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines or 7 courses or whatever they call them. So now it goes all the way, it's all level on that side, all level on this side, goes all the way that side. So I just did the last bit there. I was doing a bit of that. It was a bit tricky here because of the bog filter. I can't move this because this is very heavy. It's full of gravel and stones. So there's no way I would have moved that. So I have to make a plan here. I will have to cover this bit, these gaps. I will have to find a way of covering that. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I will have to cover that. I was thinking maybe I can fit bricks in there, but they can't fit. They're too slow. But we'll see. I'll find something that I can cover there so that the liner will come all the way up to there. Because this course, the pond liner will go over this. So it will be that level all the way there. So the pond liner will end there. So I'll have to close these gaps where I can fix the liner to it. Right, we'll see how I get on. So this is just a short update. So these walls are all done now, like I said. So now my next bit is I'm going to have to level the ground, because you can see the ground is not level bottom. So we have to level it so that it's all flat before I can start to dig for the bottom drain. And then I need to do these sides. As you can see, you see this bit. I need to dig this out so that it's level with the wall, so that you have a straight line all the way to the bottom. So this bit needs to be dug out, which shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, there's still grass there because I had left this bit inside. So I'll dig that all up, tied it all up, all the way around. You can see where the weeds and plants growing underneath. All that, I need to sort out that, so it will be all level and straight to the bottom. You see, even here, I still have this. This is concrete. I will need to break that so that it's straight with the bricks all the way around. So hopefully that shouldn't take me too long to do. That shouldn't be too much of a job, hopefully. So now I need also to tidy up inside here, get rid of all this junk inside here, tidy it all up, and then from there I'll do the bottom drain. And then I still need to build my bog filter my other bulk filter on this end. I have to remove all this junk here, get rid of it, and then build my filter system here. My bottom drain will go through the ground there to outside. Yeah, so so I just thought I'd do this small update for you, so that you see what I've been up to. It's finally taking shape now. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.